Hey, what is up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth drivers if in case you have updated your computer or laptop from Windows 7 to Windows 10 manually. As you can see right here, I've pulled up my laptop drivers page, and these are all the drivers for Windows 10. As you can see, Bluetooth driver is also there over here. Now firstly, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go ahead and uninstall the Bluetooth drivers for Windows 7, and you can just go into the app settings and apps, and from here you can uninstall it. It will look something like this, like Windows 7 Bluetooth drivers, and it'll be Atheros or Broadcom, any one of the both. So as you can see, I've already uninstalled it from before, so I'm going to go on to the next step and jump into Windows update and security. Now over here you're going to go ahead and have to click on view optional updates right here, and then click on driver updates, and then check the box mark for this drive. This is your Windows 10 Bluetooth drivers, and now you can go ahead and let it download and install. So now along with this, there'll also be some additional and optional updates for Windows 10, and make sure all these updates are fully downloaded and installed. Once again, click on check for updates just to confirm, and once it's showing it's fully updated, you can go ahead and reset your computer. So now after your computer has been restarted, you have to once again go into update and security and check for updates one more time. As you can see, the computer is fully up to date. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to toggle the Bluetooth switch on. If you don't know how to do this, just enter your laptop model number online and click on how to toggle the Bluetooth switch on and off. As you can see right there, I've toggled my Bluetooth switch on. Now I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings, and I'm going to turn the switch on, and then I'm going to click on this option right here, and then I'm going to check mark the option that discoverable to all devices and click on apply and OK. And I'm going to click on add and Bluetooth devices. So as you can see right here, I have some JBL headphones here with me, JBL Bluetooth headphones, and I'm going to connect to them. So now wait for this to come as connected to audio fully, and then you can click on done. Okay, so now once this is done, as you can see, a big advantage of Windows 10 over Windows 7 is that it displays the battery life of your particular Bluetooth device, and also any other Bluetooth device that you have previously connected to this computer. For example, you can see right here it's showing 100%. So that is a really good feature in Windows 10. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.